Welcome children. Exercise 10.2. First question. Compute the magnitude of the following vectors. The question given as A equal to I plus J plus K. So we have to find the magnitude of A. That is, magnitude of A is root of the coefficient of I plus coefficient of j plus coefficient of k. So 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is equal to root 3. Then b equal to 2i minus 7j minus 3k. We have to find the magnitude of b. So magnitude of b is square root of 2 square plus minus 7 whole square plus minus 3 whole square. The coefficient of I is 2, minus 7 and minus 3 whole square, which is equal to root 4 plus 49 plus 9, which is root 62. And the third vector is C equal to 1 by root 3 into I plus 1 by root 3 into j minus 1 by root 3 into k. So we have to find the magnitude of C, which is equal to 1 by root 3 whole square plus coefficient of g is 1 by root 3 whole square plus k's coefficient is 1 by root 3 minus of 1 by root 3 whole square, which is equal to 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, which is equal to square root of 3 by 3, which is 1. Then the required magnitude are A equal to root 3 and magnitude of B is root 62 and magnitude of C is 1. Second one, write two different vectors having same magnitude. We have to write two vectors. Let A equal to, let's take sum 2i minus j plus 3k, and the magnitude of A is 2 square plus minus 1 whole square plus 3 square, which is equal to square root of 4 plus 1 plus 9, which is root 14. We have to write another vector having the same magnitude, root 14. Just exchange of the numbers, like I plus 3j and minus 2k. So magnitude of B is root of 1 square plus 3 square plus minus 2 whole square, which is 1 plus 9 plus 4, which is equal to square root of 14. Here we have chose ourselves the two vectors A and B, in which the magnitude of two vectors A and B are root 14. Third one, write two different vectors having same direction. So let's take A equal to I plus j minus k and B equal to 2i plus 2j minus 2k. Be the two different vectors, and we have to find the DCs of A and DCs of B. DCs of A is 1 by root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is root 3. So root of 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is 1 by root 3. So DCs of A are 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3 and minus of 1 by root 3. The coefficient of k, minus 1 by root 3. And again DCs of B are 2 by 2 square plus 2 square plus 2 square, which is root 12. Root 12, then it is 2 root 3. Then it is 2 root 3, cancelling this. Then DCs of B are 1 by root 3, comma 1 by root 3 and minus 1 by root 3. Thus, A and B are the two vectors whose directions are same. Fourth question, find the values of x and y so that the vectors 2i plus 3j and xi plus yj are equal. Here the two vectors are given as equal vectors. We have to find x and y. Let A equal to 2i plus 3j plus 0k and B equal to xi plus yj plus 0k. It's given that the two vectors are equal. So equating the two vectors 2i plus 3j plus 0k, which is equal to xi plus yj plus 0k, equating the coefficient of I. Here xi, which is equal to 2i, equating the coefficient of I, x is equal to 2 and y equal to 3, equating the coefficient of j. Here the coefficient of j is y and here it is 3. So y equal to 3, x equal to 2 and y equal to 3. Fifth question, find the scalar and vector components of the vector with initial point 2, 1 and terminal point minus 5, 7. Let A be the initial point 2, 1 and B the terminal point minus 5, 7. We have to find the scalar and vector components of the vector. So AB is the coefficient of I, minus 5 minus 2. Minus 5 minus 2 into I plus 7 minus 1 into j, which is equal to minus 7i plus 6j. So scalar component of AB are the coefficient of I and j, that is x, y, z. Here x is minus 7 and y is 6. So the scalar component of AB are minus 7 and vector components of AB are xi, yj and zk. Here xi is minus 7i and yj is 6j. So vector components of AB are minus 7i and 6j. Scalar components of AB are minus 7 and 6, the coefficient of I and j. Sixth one, find the sum of the vectors. A equal to I minus 2j plus k, B equal to minus 2i plus 4j plus 5k and C equal to I minus 6j minus 7k. So we have to add all the three vectors. So adding these three vectors A plus B plus C, which is equal to, here it is 1i, so 1i minus 2i plus 1i, which is 0i. So minus 6 minus 8 plus 4, so minus 4j, minus 7 plus 6k, which is minus k. So A plus B plus C, which is equal to minus 4j minus. Seventh question, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector A equal to I plus j plus 2k. Here the vector given as A equal to I plus j plus 2k. Therefore unit vector in the direction of A is vector A by magnitude of A, which is equal to A vector is I plus j plus 2k whole by magnitude of A is square root of the coefficient of ijk, that is 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square, which is equal to I plus j plus 2k whole by root 6, which is equal to 1 by root 6 into I plus 1 by root 6j plus 2 by root 6 into k. Eighth question, find the unit vector in the direction of vector PQ, where P and Q are the points 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6 respectively. Given 2 points, P is 1, 2, 3 and Q is 4, 5, 6. We have to find PQ, which is equal to 4 minus 1 into I plus 5 minus 2 into j plus 6 minus 3 into k, which is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k. Then unit vector in the direction of PQ, which is equal to PQ vector whole by magnitude of PQ, which is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k, and magnitude of PQ is square root of the coefficient of ijk. So square of coefficient of I, which is 3 square plus 3 square plus 3 square, which is equal to 3i plus 3j plus 3k whole by root 27, which is 3 root 3. So unit vector in the direction of PQ is 3 by 3 root 3, cancelling 3. So we get 1 by root 3 of I plus again 3 by 3 root 3. So 1 by root 3 of j plus 1 by root 3 of k. Ninth question. For given vectors a equal to 2i minus j plus 2k and b equal to minus I plus j minus k, find the unit vector in the direction of the vector a plus b. So we have to find the unit vector in the direction of a plus b. So we have to add a plus b. Unit vector in the direction of a plus b is a plus b by magnitude of a plus b. So that we have to add a and b, the coefficient of I. So 2 minus 1, which is I, minus j and plus j, which is 0, and plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1, which is k. So a plus b is I plus k. Then we have to find the unit vector in the direction of a plus b, which is a plus b whole by magnitude of a plus b, which is equal to the vector I plus k whole by square root of, finding the magnitude of a plus b is square root of 1 square plus 1 square. Here j is 0, which is equal to I plus k whole by root 2, which is equal to 1 by root 2 of I plus 1 by root 2 of k. 10th question. Find a vector in the direction of vector phi I minus j plus 2k, which has magnitude 8 units. Let a equal to phi I minus j plus 2k. Unit vector in the direction of a is vector a by magnitude of a, which is equal to phi I minus j plus 2k whole by magnitude of a is square of coefficient of ijk, that is phi square plus minus 1 whole square plus 2 square, which is phi I minus j plus 2k whole by 25 plus 1 plus 4, which is root 30. It's given that the magnitude has 8 units. The vector in the direction of vector phi I minus j plus 2k, which has magnitude 8 units. So the vector of magnitude 8, which is equal to 8 into 5 by root 30 of I minus 1 by root 30 of j plus 2 by root 30 of k, which is equal to, multiplying 8, we get 40 by root 30 into I minus 8 by root 30 into j plus 16 by root 30 into k. 11th question. Show that the vectors 2i minus 3j plus 4k and minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k are collinear. Let a equal to 2i minus 3j plus 4k and b equal to minus 4i plus 6j minus 8k. I am writing b equal to, taking minus 2 out, we get minus 2 into 2i minus 3j plus 4k, which is nothing but a vector. So b equal to minus 2 into a, which is in the form of b equal to lambda a. The condition for collinearity, when the two vectors are collinear, then it is b equal to lambda into a. Here we have b equal to minus 2 into a, which is in the form of b equal to lambda into a. Thus, we can say that a and b are collinear. 12th question, find the DCs of the vector I plus 2j plus 3k. Let a equal to I plus 2j plus 3k be the given vector. So we have to find L, M, N, which are the DCs of the vector. So L equal to x by magnitude of A, M is y by magnitude of B, and N is z by magnitude of A. So we have to find magnitude of A, which is square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square. So 9 plus 1, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, which is equal to root 14. So L equal to, here x is the coefficient of I, which is 1. So 1 by root 14. And M is y by vector A, which is the coefficient of j, 2 by root 14. So M equal to 2 by root 14 and N equal to z by root 14. Here z is the coefficient of k, which is 3 by root 14. So DCs of vector I plus 2j plus 3k are 1 by root 14, 2 by root 14, 3 by root 14.